Ahoy fellow builders, tara, kulayan natin ang kit mo. Ahoy fellow builders and welcome to TuneR. Today's unboxing will put a smile on your face. May dumating na bago, Doloha is the name. And ready na ba kayo for the exciting game? Sealed sa packaging, so fresh and so new. Pagka-open ito, bro, it's so true, ang daming colors. What a delight. Para sa hobby mo, let your creativity take the fight. These are straight liquid, easy to use, no need for mixing, no time to lose. For model kits, figures, at yung mga gunpla, Doloha markers will make them bongga. Water-based ink, hindi nakakasama, non-toxic pa. Good for beginners or kung hindi ka pa ready mag-airbrush. Time for a color test. Let's see how they perform. Sa iba't ibang material, will they weather the storm? Plastic, paper, wood, glass, metals. Look at these colors, so vibrant and bold. From regular use to metallics, stories untold. Up to 72 colors, ang dami mong choice. Your custom designs will make a joyful noise. So, if you are a kid or a hobbyist, so keen, Doloha markers are truly a dream. Get yours now, level up your game. Until next time, here in TuneR, just build more and build up.
Subscribe to TuneR.